13.4 surface areas and volumes. Okay, frustum sums. We'll do frustum sums now. So, first sum. The drinking glass is in the shape of frustum. Compulsory you have to draw figure. For every sum you have to draw figure. Height 14 centimeters. Height 14 centimeters. The diameters of the two circular ends are 4 and 12. 2 centimeters. Okay, this is 2 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. Question is find the capacity of the glass. Whenever they say capacity, always answer should be in liters. Volume means no problem, cc or whatever it is, no problem. So volume of the frustum is 1 by 3 pi h big R square plus small r square plus big R into small r. So 1 by 3 into pi h is 14 into big R square. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 1. 2 square plus 1 square plus 2 into 1. So 1 by 3 pi into 14. 4 plus 1 plus 2, 7. 1 by 3 pi h plus big R square plus big R square is 2 square, small r square is 1 square plus 2 into 1, 4, 5 plus 6, 7. Okay, so children, this 22, this pi we will write it as 22 by 7. 7, 7 cancel. Okay, so 14 2s are 28, 48, 308 by 3. This is cc. Cc means centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. Volume always will say cc, centimeter cube. How to convert cc to liters? Cc to liters is by 1000. So 308 by 3000 liters. Okay, capacity means always you have to find out in liters. Okay, so this will be 102.66 cc, 102.66 cc, and if you want this one in liters, then you have to find out 0.10266 liters. This is how you are going to. Yeah. Next one. Yeah, next one. One second. Yeah. Next one. All of you please see here. Next one. Second sum. Please copy down. Second sum. Second sum. The slant height of cone is 4 centimeters and the perimeters of its circular ends are 18 and 6. Okay, so here they have given the slant height is 4. Slant height is 4. L is equal to 4. And the perimeters of up and down are 18. This is perimeter is 18 and this perimeter is 6 centimeters. They have given 6 centimeters. Find the CSA. So CSA of frustum is pi L into big R plus small r. So this is perimeter. Perimeter means 2 pi r. Round, no? It will be round. Perimeter means like this. Okay. 2 pi big R is equal to 18. R is equal to 18 by 2 pi. Here also. 2 pi. Small r is equal to 6. R is equal to 6 by 2 pi. Okay. This both we'll put it here. Pi into, how much is this? 4 into, pi into 4 into, big R is 18 by 2 pi. Plus 6 by 2 pi. Pi into 4 into 24 by 2 pi. 24 by 2 pi. Okay, so easy method. Pi cancel. 2 is 48 centimeters square is CSA of frustum. Like this, easy method. Some people will do the by 22 by 7, all they simplify and they will put, no need to put. So by practice you will get, you will understand. Like the easy method also we can. Okay, next one. Please copy down along with me. Okay, third. A fez is in the shape of, fez means it's like a cap worn by some Muslims, it seems. A fez. Fez means this should be closed. This should be closed. If this is closed, If this is closed, anyway, this has to be open. Okay, FL in the shape of and its radius of open side is 10. Its open side is 10. Upper surface is 2. Upper surface is 4. Upper surface is 4, and slant 8 is 15. Slant 8 is 15. Question is, find the area of material required to make it. So TSA of material required to make it, first this CSA is anyway needed, plus this base, because this is closed, you have to take this also. Pi small r square, not big R square. This is CSA plus base. CSA plus base gives TSA. Pi L big R plus small r plus pi r square. Okay. So pi, if you want, you can take common. Slant rate is how much? 15. Big R plus small r. Plus small r is 4 square. Okay. So pi into 15 into 14. 15 into 14 plus 16. Okay. So pi into 15 for 60, 210. 210 plus 16. So 3.14 into this we can take as 226. Okay, so 226 into 3.14. What is the value of 226 into 3.14? Can anyone do and tell me the answer for this? Yes, anyone? Can anyone do and tell me the answer? 226 into 3.14. 709 centimeter square is area of material required to make fez. Fez means it is a type of cap. Okay, compulsory you should write answer. This is how you have to make. Okay, next one. Hope you are copying this. Okay, so TSA here. Here TSA means this plus this. Only this means CSA. This plus this will become TSA. This plus this also becomes TSA. But only this means CSA. As you keep doing, you'll understand. Hope you're copying along with me. Please copy. Don't waste time. Next one. Next one. Fourth one. I'm doing fourth one. Okay. A container opened from the top and made of metal sheet. A container opened from the top is made up of metal sheet. This is closed. Here it is closed. Open from the top means closed at one end. Okay. And it's a container. Something it has to hold, isn't it? So first term of height 16 centimeters. This is 16 centimeters, it seems. Okay, and the radii of lower and upper ends are 8 and 20. This is 8 centimeters. This is 20 centimeters. 20 centimeters. Find the cost of milk at the 20 rupees per liter. 20 rupees per liter. And find the cost of metal sheet required at the rate of 8 rupees per 100 centimeters square. 8 rupees per 100 centimeters square. So both you have to find out. So first cost of milk also you should find out, and also you should find out cost of material required. Let's find the cost of milk. Find the cost of milk means volume. Volume is equal to 1 by 3 pi h big R square plus small r square plus big R into small r. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 or whatever it is, depending upon the situation, we'll take 16. Big R square is 20 square plus 8 square plus 20 into 1 by 3 into 3, 4 into 16 into 400 plus 64 plus 160. 400 plus 64 plus 160. Okay, so 1 by 3 here into 3.14 into 16 into 560, 624. 624. Okay, so this will go in 3 table, 3 to 208. So this into this gives volume. Okay, so 208 into 16 into 3.14. That much centimeter cube. Okay, so answer is 208 into 16 into 3.14. So it will be 10449.92 cc. Okay, but he want answer in liters. First one liters. Cc to liters is by 1000. Cc to liters is by 1000. Okay, so 208 into 16 into 208 into 16 to 3.14, 10449.92 cc. Okay, so now I'm doing cc to liters. How to convert cc to liters by 1000? 1000 is 1, 2, 3. 10.44992 liters. Cost is asking. Cost 20 rupees. 1 liter is 20 rupees. 1 liter is 20 rupees. This many liters how much means into 20. Okay. So when you do into 20, 10.44992 into 20 you should do. It will be 208.9 rupees. Means approximately we can say 209 rupees is cost of milk. This can hold this much milk. This can hold this much milk. Okay, 20 liters. This can hold this much milk, and each liter is 20 rupees. So this much milk is how much in this container. The milk cost is 209 rupees. In this container, whatever milk is there, the cost of that milk is 209 rupees. Okay. Now let's do TSA. Please copy now. Let's do TSA. So TSA means TSA will be what will be TSA? The CSA plus base. CSA is how much? Pi L, big R plus small r plus pi small r square. Okay, pi if you take common, slant height we have to find out. Slant height L square is equal to h square plus big R minus small r whole square. L square is equal to 16 square plus 20 minus 8 whole square. L square is equal to 16 square plus 12 square. L square is equal to 256 plus 144. L square is equal to 400. L square is equal to